Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in Kraken. Keep watching the video till the end. To change language in Kraken, firstly open up your Kraken application. The home page of Kraken application will appear on the screen. Click on Account option at the bottom right side of the screen. On the next page, scroll down and under Settings option, tap on Language. Choose or select any language you prefer and tap on it. This is how you can change language in Kraken application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.